If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas. The subject of this video may seem a little bit obvious, but considering I didn't think of it the first time I had to machine one of these parts, and how well it worked after I thought of this great idea, I thought I'd pass it on. So take a look. The first time I did that, I used the regular vise jaws, and by the time I got out near the end away from the vise, I had a lot of wobble going. I had to slow right down. So the long jaws really helped, and I was able to go pretty quick on the job.